Hello, in today's lesson we will talk about robots that can be used in primary schools and how these robots work. As you know, robots can be used in primary schools to reduce maths anxiety and make these lessons more fun for children. Let's get to know these robots first. Before we start, I recommend you to read the annex section of the knowledge paper of Mindmaths, where you will find satisfactory information about the robotics used in primary schools. Cubeto is a wooden robot, with an Arduino heart, that teaches children to program while having fun. Both Bbot and Bluebot are able to memorize a series of basic commands and move along a path according to the recorded commands. They have all the commands on their backs: forward, backward, left and right turns. Through hands-on construction of motorized models assembled with Lego bricks, students are motivated to study robotics, coding, and STEM subjects and to acquire a scientific mindset. mTiny has a unique reading pen that facilitates children's experience with a tangible programming language. The MakeBlock Cody Rocky is a coding robot for STEAM education. Cody provides an entertaining learning experience and introduction to programming for ages 6+. HaloCode is a single-board computer designed for the educational world. Thanks to the intuitive software, learning to program is fun and immediate. Let's watch a learning activity together, showing how robots can be introduced to primary school students.
Children, today we are going to learn about robotics. Does anyone know what we are talking about?
What is a robot?
Is it a humanoid that moves and does actions?
Are you sure? Are all robots just humanoids?
No, I think there are robots in factories too, and they don't have a human form.
That's right, they are robots too, but how can we tell when a machine is a robot? Let's find out together. In your opinion, can a car be a robot?
Yes. No.
I think they could both be right.
That's right, all the answers are correct. Look at these two pictures. What are the differences?
The round one is a robot, while the other one isn't.
Exactly. But how did you figure that out?
Because I've seen it working, and it doesn't need to be guided.
Yes, that's true, but how can it go by itself?
You tell us.
Get up, and stand in the middle of the classroom, and start moving randomly without ever touching each other. Everybody, stop! How come you didn't touch each other?
Because we could see each other.
Yes, it is true, and also because we felt the proximity.
That's true. Then, how did you perceive each other?
By sight.
And what is sight?
One of the 5 senses.
But the robot has no senses.
But it has sensors.
That's right, very good. Robots move autonomously in space thanks to sensors that are very similar to those of human beings. In fact, a robot is a programmable machine equipped with sensors and actuators.
What are actuators?
They are the motors that allow them to move and act in the surrounding space. When we talk about humanoid robots, for example, we have to consider the arms and legs as actuators because they allow the robot to perform actions. Let's watch a video that explains how robots work.
The teacher and students continue to watch the video. If you want, you can watch the same video via the link above. During the lesson, we will work on the introduction of robots to primary school students, and learning activities related to this. That's all for today. See you in class. Goodbye.